Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can collect anonymous student feedbacks via forms. Now we are using jotform and grist. Jotform is an online form building application and grist is a spreadsheet platform, spreadsheet software. Now what is happening? Whenever students will come to your school or your university or your college or your institution, it can be used for any particular type of department, any particular type of institution, any particular type of university. So what will happen whenever they will come to your university, for example, they are going to fill out a form in which we have the details about the university, about the teachers in the university, about the knowledge the university is giving, and then those details will be shared into your grist database, where you can later on process that database and can work on your weak points which student must have filled in the form through jotform. Now to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service, Pabbly Connect, which will help us connect jotform and grist together. Now if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are back to our screen. So what do we have to do? We have to go to the address bar and type in pabbly.com/connect. And as soon as we will press enter, we will be redirected to this page here. Here you have two options. Either you can sign in or you can sign up. Signing in is easy. If you already have an account, you have to just go for sign in. If you do not have an account here, you have to go for sign up. Signing up is absolutely free. And we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month from our site so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching. Now I already have an account, so I'll just go for sign in. And here I'll just go for login. And now you can see here, this is my window. Here I have these softwares with me, and now I'm just going to click on Pabbly Connect Access now. And now what I'm going to do, I am going to just click on create workflow, and I will create a new workflow and give it a new name. So let us just give it the name, and I am going to give it the name jotform to grist integration. Now, because I am connecting jotform to grist, I am giving it this name. You can name it whatever you want to, and let's just click on create. And as soon as you will click on create, you will have two windows here. First one is trigger, second one is action. Trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process, and action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process or when the final event is happening. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So what is happening here in trigger? In trigger, we are having a jotform submission. So we are going to click on jotform, and then for trigger event, we are going to select new response. Now you will see we will have a webhook URL here. So what is this webhook URL? Now webhook URL is the URL which will help us connect our jotform with our grist account. Jotform with our Pabbly Connect account, and then we will connect our grist account to our Pabbly Connect account. So first we are going to connect jotform to our Pabbly Connect account. So here I will just copy this webhook URL and follow these instructions here, so that I can connect my jotform to my Pabbly Connect account. So here I'll go to jotform, then I'll go to integrations, and then I will go to all integrations. Here I am just going to search for webhooks, and after searching for webhooks, I'll click on webhooks and I will click on add to form. Now here I am going to select the form which I need for my workflow, and this is the form I have already made, student feedback form. So I'll just select this form, and here I will remove this integration here, and I will make a new integration here with my current webhook, which I just copied from Pabbly Connect account. And now I will click on complete integration. So now my Pabbly Connect account is connected to my jotform, and here as soon as I will fill my jotform, you can see these are the fields of my jotform. And here I am just going to fill up this jotform, and this response will be taken and will be shown here in my Pabbly Connect account. So let's just fill it. Department is civil. Year is second. Questionnaire: how would you rate the courses offered in the school? 8. How well the teachers teach at the school? 8. How would you rate the knowledge of the teachers? 7. How helpful is your academic advisor? 7. How helpful is the academic staff? 8. How would you rate the school in overall? 7. Okay. Now I'll just click on submit. And as soon as I will click on submit, you will see a response will come here in my Pabbly Connect account. So you can see here, this is the response. Student feedback form is the name. Department is civil department. Second year, you can see the response is exactly as it is as I filled it. 887787. Now what is this 6? This 6 is the number of feedback ID. Now, why is it showing 6? Because I have already used this form 5 times before when I was testing this automation, and that is why it is showing you the feedback ID is 6. Okay. So our first step is completed, where we have to connect our Pabbly Connect Pabbly Connect account to our Jot form. Now, what we are going to do in our action step, we are going to connect grist. So let's just select grist. And here we are going to create a new record. So we'll click on create record, connect. And here we are going to go for add new connection. Now here it is written, log into your grist account, navigate to profile setting from the account menu on the top right, create or access your API key. So what we are going to do, we are going to go to our grist account. Then we will go to here, go to our account here. Then we'll click on profile settings. And here you can see we have this API key. Just copy this API key and go back to your Pabbly Connect account and paste it here. Click on save. Now you can see this account is connected to the grist account, and here you can see it is asking me for the team. Team is personal. It is not going to change workspace. I have 2 workspaces in my grist account. Let me just show it to you. First one is home, which is this one. Second one is examples and templates. Now I am using Las Vegas University document. So I am going to select Las Vegas University here in documents. Okay. And table will be employers feedback. This is wrong. Let me just rename it. It is not employers feedback. It is students feedback. Okay. So let's just go here and let me just refresh it. So it will change to students feedback here. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a technique which is called mapping, and mapping will let me take the data from this window here, and it will let me put the data here in this window. So I'm going to map my department first, which was civil. So civil department, year was second year. So I'm just going to select second. How would you rate the courses at score? 8. How well the teachers teach at school? 8. For here, I'm just going to map in 7. Then I'm going to map in my feedback ID. Do not get confused, friends. Feedback ID is this. How helpful is your academic advisor? I'm just going to map in 7. How helpful is the academic staff? 8. And overall 7. Okay. Now, as soon as I will click on save and send test request, you will see a response will receive here, which is this one value, which means our automation is successful. And you can see we have this response here, feedback ID 6, civil department, second year. And I have all the fields here. You can just see it for yourself. And I have all the remarks or the numbers which students have given it to me through form. And I have all these numbers here in my grist account. Now let us try it one more time with another department. Now the department is CSE, year is 3rd, questionnaire. I'll just put some random numbers here. I'm not going to read those questions again and submit. So we'll go here again, and you can see we have one more entry here, 7 CSE department 3rd year, and all of these fields has been automatically filled out through our automation. So friends, this is how you can connect your grist account to your jot form to your jot form, so that whenever students will give a feedback through jot form, what will have a new record will be created in your grist database, and you can just look at that record and try to improve those points by yourself. Now, if you want to clone this workflow, you can just go to my description box and clone this workflow into your account. But for that, you need to have an account, and for that, you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you. So what are you waiting for? Go and sign up now. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to edit in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us and it can change the future. And I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.